Stonewall Farm is a sheep farm where we breed prime lambs and wool. Presently we carry at our peak about 2,500 sheep, that's ewes and lambs, up to 3,000. We're at Narrikup, which is a reasonably high rainfall area. We've been here since 1979. We're always a bit anxious about high chemical use in ag and food, but we were farming conventionally up until 25 years ago, and we found that we had a lot of issues with stock health, and also we found inputs were increasing a lot. So we were actually, pretty much to get the simmer production, we had to increase our inputs. We moved away from soluble acid fertilisers to a larger degree. We still use some of them 25 years ago, and moved to a mineral compound based fertiliser and microbial inputs. Part of that catalyst for change was really getting an understanding of the importance of minerals in our stock, but also understanding that soil biology was a key catalyst for production. The remineralisation of the soil was really led to us by looking at most diseases in stock are associated with a mineral deficiency, whether it was selenium or cobalt or whatever. As we started to do the research and got involved with scientists, biologists and soil geologists and soil chemists, we sort of realised that the combination of the minerals and the soil microbes weren't just about improving our food quality, but there was also the minerals had a major play in improving the soil health and stimulating soil biology. We run a merino flock, and our lambing percentages average about 125%, and up to 150, some of our best were 150%, which is really unheard of for merinos. So we had a significant change in the use of fecundity, and we all put that down to nutrition. So nutrition is key. The other thing was quite significant was our wool quality. Older ewes do produce less wool. However, we didn't lose in quality, which is one of the problems we found when we were farming conventionally. And on top of that, through the remineralisation of the pastures, we had no additives. We don't have any lick blocks, we don't do any mineral treatments, we have very little veterinary intervention, and they're all cost saving. The beauty of what GrowSafe has done is, firstly, in a way it's put some bit of science behind what we're doing here. And part of that was these comprehensive soil tests and also the biological tests. We could start seeing what was going on and be in a better position to manage going forward. Whether it's the garden, whether it's the farm, whether it's broadacre, it doesn't matter. Our basic principle is that the soil's alive, we've got to treat it like that. If I had a take-home message, it is that. Look after our soil, treat it as alive. Remineralisation is critical for animal health, plant health. We get all this production without hardly any nitrogen applications. There's a lot of freebies, if you like, when you farm with the environment. And as a farmer, that's what we should be doing. You know, we're farming with the environment, we get those freebies, and it makes things so much more profitable and so much more satisfying.